Hello, this is Eric at Prince George Ford, and we're taking a look at the 2022 Ford Ranger in an XLT trim and powered by a 2.3-liter EcoBoost engine, providing you with excellent power and fuel efficiency with running boards down below so you can have an easier time getting in, and the FX4 Off Road Package, giving you off-road tuned suspension, skid plates, and some other 4x4 features. But let's take a look inside. Then looking into the back seat, where you have comfortable seating for 3 that can be lifted up and out of the way to accommodate any other cargo and reveal some storage bins underneath. And in the middle you have fold-out armrests with 2 cup holders, as well as having a 12 volt in the middle there. Then looking into the front, where you have power windows, power mirrors, and power locks. Now, sitting in the vehicle with it running and looking at the steering wheel, on the right hand side you have your hands-free phone and radio controls, and on the left you have your cruise controls as well as your controls for your center info screen here, where you can cycle through your trip 1 and 2 information with a digital speedometer, distance to empty, trip odometer, trip timer, fuel economy. Then you can also go into your fuel economy separately, your truck info such as off-road status, power distribution, driver assistance features and settings, and then settings for your screen and some other features around your vehicle. Moving on, do also have your lane keeping system on the end of your signal stock. And then moving on to your center, your infotainment screen, which is radio, Sirius, and Bluetooth capable, so you have some options there. And your digital climate controls with dual zone front climate, Bluetooth phone controls, whatever apps you may have installed, and settings for your screen and some other features around your vehicle. Shifting into reverse, you do also have a backup camera so you can see where you're going. And moving down, you have your hazards and then your physical, media, and climate controls, again with dual zone front climate. Then you have 2 12 volt power outlets and 2 USBs, so you can plug something into power or charge. Then you have some of your alternate controls here. Included with the FX4 package, you have trail control, which is sort of like low-speed cruise control for rougher terrain, as well as the locking rear differential, your auto start stop shut off, tow haul mode, traction control shut off, and your 4x4 shifter here with terrain modes such as normal, grass, gravel, snow, mud, ruts, and sand, so you can customize your driving experience a bit there. And then you have your main shifter with select shift on the side, so you can manually shift through your gears, parking brake, 2 cup holders, and your center compartment / armrest, which is pretty spacious. But that should cover our look at the interior. So now if you're interested, feel free to give us a call at 250-563-8111, or just come on down to the dealership and have a look for yourself, and have a nice day.